Question 19. Kevin and Susie had some game cards at first. Kevin gave 1/4 of his cards to Susie. After that, Susie gave 1/5 of her cards to Kevin. And in the end, Kevin had 45 cards and Susie had 36 cards. How many cards did Kevin have at first? This question is a bit complicated. There are different scenarios. First, we see there are two persons. One is Kevin, the other is Susie. Okay, so this is at first. The question is asking, at first, how many cards did Kevin have? This is the question. Okay, so now what happens is Kevin gives 1/4 of his cards to Susie. Okay, is 1/4 of his cards. This is the second scenario. And then after that, okay, this is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. Susie gave 1/5 of her card to Kevin. And then we know in the end, Kevin have 45 and Susie have 36. From here we know that there are only two persons, Kevin and Susie, and they are passing cards. So the total number of cards remain unchanged. So from here we know the total cards will be 45 plus 36 equal to 81 in any of these scenarios. Okay, and also we know that this is after Susie gave 1/5 of her cards to Calvin, and the remaining is this. We can know how many cards that Susie have here. So Susie have 36 divided by 4/5, and this is the cards that she has. And this is equal to 45. Because when we have 55, we give out 1/5 and the remaining is 36. Okay, so we know the total number of cards, which is 81, and now we can know how many Kevin have, as this scenario is 81 minus 45 equal to 36. Okay, so here Kelvin have 36, and we work backwards. From here we know that after Kelvin gave 1/4 of his cards to Susie, he has left with 36. And here we'll know that at first he'll have 3/4. Okay, 36 divided by 3/4. This is 48. So the answer is 48.